Hey guys, welcome to day 2. Jeff here. Let's see, what did I just learn? Right now, I decided to, since I'm doing these blogs/vlogs, I've decided to make a website. To make a website, I need to learn HTML and CSS and all these other things. So right now I'm learning HTML. I actually lied to you. My first experience in coding wasn't via the C++ book. It was actually through the W3 schools, because that's where I was first directed to. It was like, if you want to learn how to code, just go to the W3 schools. And then I was like, oh, okay, whatever. So I first learned some HTML. I went through basically all the HTML tutorials, and I think the CSS tutorials also on the W3 schools thing. And then after that I just kind of quit and didn't really do anything with it. But now I'm reviewing it via the Code Academy, codeacademy.com. And I actually think codeacademy.com does a lot better job of teaching it, because it's a lot more compact, and it really gives you like the meat and bones of what you need to know, and it gives you like exercises and problems and stuff like that. But I think both websites are actually really cool places to learn HTML and CSS and all that stuff. I just finished all the HTML, well, actually most of the HTML videos on Code Academy right now. It's really quick and easy. I think it's like that because I've already been through it once via the W3 schools. But yeah, so right now my goal is to make and build a website, and then get a domain name for it, and do the whole server thing where it's like actually on the internet. I don't know how that works. Apparently there's this thing called Amazon something where you can, it's like a cloud-based system, and you could hook your website up to that thing, and then it's free, and yeah, you don't have to pay for like servers or whatever. I really don't even know what that means. Basically, I just know that if you make an HTML file, you haven't actually, you have the bare bones of your website, but it's not actually out on, like, you can't like type in the URL of it because you don't have a URL, and I need to figure that out, and the domain name, and yeah, so HTML is a pretty easy language to learn. It's basically, it's all text, really. It's just like, okay, if you want to make it's kind of like Microsoft Word, but instead of clicking a button, you actually have to like type in some extra stuff. So if you have like a heading, you have to say, okay, brackets, H1, end bracket, and then you type in your text that you want, and then you end it with /H1. So it's like really basic, easy stuff. And yeah, so after I go through all the Code Academy HTML stuff, I'm just going to skip the CSS portion for now, and I want to figure out like just getting a really basic bare bones website up there with my name on it, and that's where all the blogs and the vlogs are going to be. So yeah, that's where I'm at right now. This is Jeff the Daily Coder signing off. Yeah, go ahead and send me a message, comment, let me know if you need help with code. I'm a noob at this, so maybe we can be noobs together and figure it out. But yeah, peace out.